Hello my beautiful family. Today we will learn about alphabets. So आपको अगर हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो don't forget like, share and subscribe. Let's draw A. A is for apple. Let's draw B. B is for bus. Let's draw C. C is for car. Let's draw D. D is for dog. Let's draw E. E is for egg. Let's draw F. F is for fox. Let's draw G. G is for grape. Let's draw H. H is for horse. Let's draw I. I is for ink. Let's draw J. J is for jug. Let's draw K. K is for kite. Let's draw L. L is for lion. Let's draw M. M is for mug. Let's draw N. N is for nail. Let's draw O. O is for owl. Let's draw P. P is for pig. Let's draw Q. Q is for queen. Let's draw R. R is for piano. Let's draw S. S is for sheep. Let's draw T. T is for truck. Let's draw U. U is for urchin. Let's draw V. V is for van. Let's draw W. W is for whale. Let's draw X. X is for X-ray. Let's draw Y. Y is for yak. Let's draw Z. Z for is zip. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. हाँ, अगर आपकी कोई क्वेरी हो तो प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे ज़रूर बताएं।